If you want, you can also create albums, that is photo albums, by using photos in a folder inside of OneDrive. So over here you can see picture folder is here, and I got a bunch of pictures and videos right here. And if you want to turn this into an album, you can select it over here and click on create album from folder right here. Once you do that, what happens is that it updates out the item, as you can see right here, and you can see that it is detecting the pictures in that particular folder and it is creating an album out of it. You can also go around onto a particular folder, and then when the folder is open, you can see that create album from folder is an option over here as well. So if I were to go around onto photos over here, let me just go around and leave it because I don't want to create two albums. So if I were to go around over here and go to albums right here, now you can see pictures, and even picture one is here. Inside of pictures, you can see that there are 3 photos right here. That is because in the folder, I only had 3 photos. It does not take the folders from the folders within that particular folder. So over here, if I want to, let's say, for example, create out album from what is there inside of these folders, you need to select it and create out an album separately from over there. So once I click on it, you can see that it is updating out the items right here in that particular folder right here. It's updating item. And when it is complete, then what happens is that it creates a folder right here. In this case, it actually failed out for some reason right here. Maybe because it is a subfolder or it is protected, but you can go around and add these to the existing albums just like this as well by selecting it out from over here. And that is how you can go around and then create out album from folder inside of OneDrive. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.